Okay, quiet on set. Wow. May audio, sorry. Sorry. Kuya, video lang ako ha. Hindi, okay lang. Sige lang, mag-chika lang kayo kasi pag malakas lang. Okay lang. Hey team, welcome back. My name is Mike and this is the channel where we get updates on tech and lifestyle. Today we are unboxing something new from Honor. This is the Honor Magic V5. If you guys remember, we have the V3 already. Pero ito, bago-bago. So very interesting kasi umattend kami sa parang media preview nila dito sa Bake Studio sa May Makati. And dito pinakita yung iba't ibang features at saka yung tinest din yung durability ng phone na to. So marami tayong i-discuss pero let's keep it short. Unboxing muna tayo ng V5 natin, okay? So here, we have this phone, which talaga, marami na nag-unbox, pero we'll get to this phone later. So sa charger naman muna, we have the 66 watts charging brick. Take that. Meron. And it also comes with a charging cable Type-C, syempre. Yan. Also comes with a, what do you call that? SIM ejector pin. And may case din siya nakasama actually. So, this one is the parang different color niya na gold. Kasi yung case din niya dapat medyo golden siya. So, parang beige siya. Ito yung look niya. Na may rose gold ba to? Or champagne gold. But that's what's inside the box. It comes along with the V5 device. Pero check na muna natin tong Honor Magic V5. So, I think this one has, they have three colors of this one. They have the white, the gold, and they also have the parang red color niya, which is very, very nice. Very significant yung pagka-tone ng pink or red yata yun. Pero isa sa mga nagustuhan ko dito is yung kanyang device talaga is pwede siyang underwater. So it has an IP rating. Kasi if nakita nyo talaga nilubog nila tong V5, which yung V3 hindi. So you have to question yourself as well. Siyempre may mga hinges to, di ba? So may possibility na baka pumasok siya. Pero dahil water resistant siya, nagtatagal talaga yung phone sa loob. And this is one of the thinnest talaga na foldable phones out there. Meron pa nga silang setup doon na kinumpare nila yung V5 versus yung pinakabago ng kalaban ng Samsung. So this one, wala. Ito pa rin yung talaga pinakamanipis. And meron din doon yung setup na hinahanginan lang nila kasi this one is also light. It's not heavy. If you look at it na mukha siyang ganyan, parang regular phone lang siya. Pero pag inopen mo, talagang mas manipis pa siya. Medyo maraki, syempre, yung kanyang bump sa camera. Pero what do you expect? No? Talagang ganun talaga kasi this one produces really good quality photos and videos. And this one has AI features already. So yes, for this one has all of the AI features na pasok na rin. No? Kasi after the V3 launch last year, nag-launch sila mga phone. Maraming phones na nag-launch ang kanilang AI features. And si Honor is one of the best AI features in the market right now. So yung mga AI erase, photo to video, and yung pag-expand, at saka basta sobrang dami, lahat nandito na. Sa V3 wala siya right now kasi I'm using V3. And it may seem like a big jump, no, or a little jump, pero you get all of the AI capabilities dun sa phone na yun to have a better output on your videos and your photos. So I think yun ang dalawa talaga na matter for me is yung water resistant. This one also has like a wireless charging. This one has durability talaga niya. And I think they won like 5 or Guinness records for being the most durable foldable phone out there in the market right now. So there's a lot of stuff to be excited about in the world of foldable phones. And this one is one thing that you guys should really consider. Kasi kung ano yung features ng V3, parang this one is on steroids na version of it. Mas powerful, mas durable. And I'm guessing yung camera din talaga nito is super, super nice. Which hopefully we get to test out longer. But for this one, we're just unboxing this for now. Pero hopefully, we get to spend more time with this one, just like the V3. So, if you like this video, make sure you guys subscribe or share it with your friends and comment down below. Follow me on my socials. If you have any other questions, just hit them down below. I'll put my first impressions or maybe an initial review of the Honor Magic V5 sa blog ko, mixofereverything.net. Follow me on my Instagram and TikTok. Mike Soon on Instagram and Mike.Soon on TikTok. Okay, I guess that's it. For other things, tech and lifestyle, my name is Mike and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh, by the way, they also introduced their newest tablet, the Honor Magic Tab. And they also introduced their latest pad or tablet, yung Pad 3. So ito siya. Magic Pad 3. Thank you. Magic Pad 3. Ito siya. So I'll share with you some clips. If you guys can check out my previous video, yung coverage ko dun sa event nung nilaunch nila yung Honor Magic V5 sa mga media. So I'm really liking this one. Hopefully I get to review or take home or giveaway na lang sa inyo. Alright, so that is it. My name is Mike and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Thank you guys. Sorry.
Ang galing.